the new female ward of the Manchester Infirmary officially open. This project costs a little over $48 million. It's a new female ward with all the latest equipment. They have new beds, a new facility. All our infirmaries now are equipped with standby generators. So no longer when light go out, the workers have to be running to find tinning lamp and candle. We have put in a system so that the residents can have access to warm water. So people don't have to boil hot water anymore. We have introduced for the first time dietitian and physiotherapist treatment within the infirmaries, autoclave machines. We are putting in therapeutic park in our infirmary so that we can offer to the residents the kind of comfort that they deserve.
I'm elated. I tell you, this is a first-class facility for our residents, what we call our indoor poor. Funding was given to us by the NHT, currently host about 41 residents observing the COVID, and the staff, I want to thank them for waiting this long time, because the female residents are temporarily located on that side of the property. And so we want to thank the Ministry of Local Government, its staff and our staff for completing this project in time and on budget.
We have had less than 300 residents within the 14 institutions across Jamaica contracting COVID. We have had less than 12 deaths within our infirmaries. And that is a record that we must be proud of. And we could have only achieved those success by the commitment and the hard work of the men and women who work within these facilities.